Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and today we are going to look at the calendar module. To start with, I have some code over here, so pretty simple. We have to import calendar to use the calendar module, and this is how you will print out a particular month. The beauty of this module is that you don't have to worry about the alignment. Everything is predefined in the module. So if I run this now, you will see there's a properly designed calendar right in front of you for the month of December 2021. Now you can put 2025. It's going to give you the December of 2025. You can put 2030 and it is going to pull that out for you. Just to check, let's go to 2030 and December, and the 1st of December is going to be on a Sunday, so it's accurate. It's not just printing out some bullshit. So we saw how to display a month and a year in calendar. Let's see how to use the for loops with this calendar. So if I do this now, it is going to print out every month and every day. So remember, everything is inside the calendar module. So calendar.month name is going to be an object. So we have to loop through the object, and the same goes for calendar.day name. So pretty simple over here. All you have to do is put it in a for loop. Now if I comment this out and uncomment this is a two-step process. So in this case, I have a calendar dot text calendar, and here I am specifying that the calendar's first day should be a Sunday. So I am first creating an object of a text calendar that starts on a Sunday, and then I am going to format the month for 2021 March. So if I run this now, you will see the calendar for March 2021, where this is starting from Sunday. If I want, I can do a Wednesday, which is going to be all caps. And if I run this now, you will see that the first day of the month starts with Wednesday, which is not ideal. So either do it Sunday or Monday. It's up to you. But this is how, there's a typo. But this is how you can change from which day the month of the calendar starts. So let's comment this out. This one is going to print out the whole calendar for the year of 2021. Now you might be wondering what this 2 and 1 is. So there's also one more thing that we can add over here, but I haven't, because I think the width and the length is enough. So this one is giving me a hint, but if I change this to suppose 4 and 4, you will see how ugly it looks. So you will see all the spacing between these because it's the width and the length. So if I change it to 2, you will see that these two are quite close to each other, but there's a whole lot of space between them. So that is why we have 1 over here to reduce this space. So if I run this now, you will see it looks much better. So if I do 3, there's more space over here. So keep this as 1 if you want to show the calendar, but this is basically how you show the calendar of the year. And the last one, I don't think you will ever use this, but this is to write a HTML code for the calendar of a particular month and year. And this might be useful in Flask if you want to write a calendar code in Python Flask or Python Django. But for calendars, I usually just go with JavaScript because it's front end and it's readily available. But this is going to give you the whole table format for HTML for a calendar of a month and year that you specify. So to be honest, I never had to use this HTML calendar. I don't know if you will use it in your project, but it's good to know. But that is it for today's video, guys. Pretty short and simple calendar module. And if you have any questions, please comment below and like and subscribe for more videos.